The British Prime Minister has just met the Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal, as we can see in the visuals, and a very important meeting is also scheduled between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the British Prime Minister. Of course, the top focus being trade, as we know that the British Prime Minister is leading the largest ever trade delegation to India. 125 CEOs and entrepreneurs are accompanying him. Also, Rolls-Royce are some of the companies that are accompanying the British Prime Minister. As we can see that this particular FTA being signed between India and UK in the month of July opens up employment opportunities, of course, businesses. British economy is going to flourish, as Prime Minister Keir Starmer has also mentioned clearly that this is one of the biggest deal being struck between both the countries, and a lot are expected as far as this deal is concerned. And yes, this particular meeting between Prime Minister Keir Starmer and Piyush Goyal is very important, as of course the trade would be the main focus of this discussion. As of course, India's average tariff on UK products will drop from 15% to 3% after this under this deal.
All right, our senior editor Niranjan is now joining us on the phone line. Niranjan, very good morning. We are seeing these visuals of the Prime Minister welcoming Keir Starmer in Mumbai, and the two leaders are going to hold significant talks today. Give us an update on what really can we expect out of this very significant meeting.
Well, Keir Starmer already has declared that this is going to be one of his most significant visits outside of the UK in the recent times. He's spoken about how this is going to be the biggest deal for the UK and has been the most significant deal that the UK has signed in the last few years. Now, he came in with that intent, and he has already declared that with the 125-member delegation, the size of his delegation, and all of them focusing purely on trade, and all of them industry leaders from the UK, part of the delegation. Trade is on his mind, and that is why they have chosen Mumbai, India's financial capital, as a location where the Prime Minister will be meeting British Prime Minister Starmer. The meeting is ongoing in Mumbai. They will look to, on the face of it, enhance the India-UK comprehensive strategic partnership. Don't forget that some of UK's biggest companies are run by Indians and Indian firms. We are one of the biggest employers in the UK. So the focus will be on trade, the focus will be on technology, focus will be on defense. And this meeting is a huge step in taking forward the bilateral relations outlined in the 2035 roadmap, the 10-year roadmap that has been set out, and they will look to follow that roadmap. And as far as the meeting is concerned, this is, on the face of it, a third meeting between the Prime Minister and Starmer. Starmer, of course, is on his first visit to India since becoming the Prime Minister of the UK. And the first two meetings, of course, were held in different venues, one in UK and the other was at G20 Rio de Janeiro.